How to get to Hull Truck Theatre from St Stephen's multi-storey car park. Park towards the back of level 2 by the Holiday Inn Express entrance. Go through 2 sets of double doors. The second set has a push button to assist if needed. Through the doors to your right is a lift, or you can take the stairs. There are approximately 30 steps down to the next level, where there is also lift access. The second set of stairs has approximately 30 steps down to the next landing. The final set of stairs also has approximately 30 steps down to the ground level and lift exit. There is a push button to assist with the doors if needed. Use the left one. Go out into St Stephen's Square and Hull Truck Theatre is directly in front of you.